Mastering prepositions in relative clauses. Choose wisely. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing part of English grammar, relative clauses. But we won't just stop there. We're going to focus specifically on how to choose the correct preposition when constructing these clauses. Yes. The little words like on, in, at, and with that can change the meaning of your sentences significantly. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will have a better grasp of how to use them correctly. A relative clause is a type of clause that functions as an adjective, modifying nouns. These clauses start with relative pronouns such as who, which, that, etc. For example, in the sentence, "The book that I'm reading is exciting," the phrase, "that I'm reading," is a relative clause modifying book. Now, when we want to add more details or specify the relationships between words in our sentences, we use prepositions. These can be a bit tricky in relative clauses as the preposition often comes at the end of the clause. For instance, in the sentence, "The table on which I put my bag is over there," the phrase, "on which I put my bag," is a relative clause with a preposition, on, at the end. The choice of preposition can change the meaning of a sentence dramatically. So, how do you know which one to use? Well, some prepositions are tied to specific verbs, adjectives, or nouns, and these are called dependent prepositions. For example, you listen to a song, not listen at a song. You're interested in a topic, not interested on a topic. The correct preposition to use often depends on the word it's connected to. To master these, you need to observe and learn them in context, as there's no foolproof rule to apply. Reading a lot, listening to English speakers, and practicing writing can significantly help you internalize these patterns over time. Now that we've gone over the basics, it's time to practice. Try creating your own sentences with relative clauses and prepositions. Here's an example to start you off. "The city in which I was born has a beautiful river." Remember, the more you practice, the more naturally these sentence structures will come to you. And that's a wrap on prepositions and relative clauses. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes as long as you're learning and improving. We hope this video has been helpful, and you're now more confident in choosing the correct preposition when creating relative clauses. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next English language learning adventure. Happy learning!